Is your business struggling with inventory chaos, manual updates, and disconnected marketplaces? We have the solution. TecSee, your certified Odoo partner in Germany with services across Europe, delivers tailored ERP solutions that streamline operations, enhance efficiency, and support your business growth. From consultation and project setup to secure hosting and support, we guide you every step of the way. With our exclusive Adler DO connector, connect many marketplaces in real time. Synchronize inventory, orders, and pricing. Fewer errors, less manual work, smarter selling. Join millions of Odoo users worldwide. With TecSee, go from chaos to control. We set up Odoo for you. Contact us today.